Okay, my son wanted to see more of me in the video, not so much the install. So here we go, here I am. Hi. And so I put everything together. And one thing I wanted to note was about the reason that I didn't just shove the cable in entirely and left some of it out. The reason why is usually these are anytime somebody sees something of value in the car, they might want to steal it. So I don't want to have any reason for, somebody to steal something from the car. So essentially, you just pull that little slider from the bottom and unhook that universal cable, and you can just hide it behind the seat here, or you can just take it with you at home. The whole reason I put these in were to give the kids an exciting road trip. Usually we're taking an airplane somewhere exciting, and they love to be able to watch a movie while in flight. So we're just going to take a multi-hour drive somewhere fun, and instead of the kids arguing with each other, they can each watch their movie, or we can all watch the same movie controlled from the head unit, and hopefully it will be the best road trip ever.